Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to transfer money from Wise to Gcash. In today's walkthrough, transferring funds from an international wallet like Y into your Gcash account feels simple on the surface, but a few small choices decide whether it goes smoothly or gets stuck in verification loops. After logging in, I head to the Send section and select the amount in Philippine peso, for example, 6 USD converted on the fly, which already makes you notice the exchange rates matter more than expected. Next, I add a recipient and choose someone else. Then instead of a bank transfer, I switch to e-wallet as a destination type. From the wallet provider list, I select Gcash, which instantly adjusts the routing options before confirming. I double check details like name, spelling, and limits because even small mismatches can delay processing. Once everything looks correct, I proceed and transfer begins processing, usually completing within minutes, depending on network load and verification checks, which makes it quite convenient overall. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.